Slow down, you're moving too fast. You gotta make this Shabbos last.
We love summer, we love pool, we love art, we love music, we love everything.
Hello, Rabbi, what you knowin'? Can you help us keep on growing?
By the children being engaged with the land, it enriches their sense of Jewish values and Jewish identity.
You can meet a lot of new friends, and you learn a lot about Jewish history.
We are teaching Jewish agriculture and Jewish holidays together. The Harvest Festival of Pesach in the month of Nisan.
It's very nice being able to just live in a place where plants are grown. You don't just buy them from a supermarket or anything.
What's the parsha of the week? Feeling Shabbos.
We planted eggplants because you're supposed to put an egg on the Seder plate, like eggplant.
Their lives and minds are opening up in ways that are making differences at their homes, at their schools, and beyond.
We love summer.